so much talent within this area, not just Butetown, but why do you get them engaging in the arts?
Flip it.
We want to go back to the times that Butetown was reliant upon itself.
Well, I certainly wasn't expecting what I received this evening. I just thought I knew it was something slightly different than an ordinary play being performed, but I didn't think that it would be as different as it was. They did two things. They went back to old Butetown and they looked to the future of Butetown.
And the creativity we've seen tonight, between the poetry and the singing and the fun of the evening, is very, very beautiful and very, very moving. And I'm looking forward to the next one.